Welcome to Court Helicopter Trending Stories, where we are looking at what is happening on a daily basis and we give the law, either supporting that action or the law that says that that action is wrong. Kenyans woke up to the news that the County Government of Bungoma, the Governor Kenneth Lusaka, has sacked all his cabinet members, that is the county executive officers, commonly referred to as ministers. And also he has sacked his secretary, and more interesting, he has also sacked the attorney, the county attorney. You know very well, the governors are the county heads. At the county level, the governor exercises executive authority, just like at the national level, where the president exercises executive authority. He can fire, he can hire, he can sack, he can do whatever he wants. So the question that Kenyans are asking Court Helicopter to explain, does the governor have the power to sack unilaterally any county executive officer or any minister without regard? Yes, this was the question in 2015 when the County Government of Nairobi had employed one John Ngakuo. You remember the late John Ngakuo used to be that time, the Nairobi City Town Clerk. He was retained to the County Government of Nairobi, and Sonko, the Kidero, sacked him, and this question was taken to court to determine whether the governor has power to sack without due regard. We refer to the case of John Ngakuo and Another versus the County Government of Nairobi, 2016, EKLR 1819 KLR, where Justice Ndumanderi, in a judgment dated 15th of January 2016, found out that county executive officers serve at the pleasure of the governor. The ministers are appointed by the governor. The ministers are only their names are taken to the county assemblies just for vetting. And once vetted, they are sworn in by the governor. They work under the governor. Under this authority, the governor can transfer or deploy a county executive or a minister to any department, to any ministry. He can also sack at any one time. The reasons for sacking, he can be that it is because of incompetence, it is because of either there is no personal good relationship between the governor and the county executive. So that decision is what we want to bring to you, that the County Government of Bungoma, the governor has power. So all the counties, the governors can sack at any time. He does not need to consult. He does not need to give a notice. He does not need to give a warning. He can fire summarily without due regard to anything. Number two, does the governor, Ken Lusaka, have the power to sack the county attorney? Let me bring to the attention of everybody the office of the attorney. This is a new office. Every county government has created an office called the office of the attorney. That is the lawyer of the county government. In the national government, we have what is called the Attorney General. The Attorney General's office is the principal advisor, the chief legal advisor of the president and the national government. He defends every civil matter he advises cabinet, he advises the President of the Republic of Kenya. Under the new law, we are talking of a law called the Office of the County Attorney, CAP, that is chapter 265E. It was assented to by the President on the 9th of July 2020. It commenced work on July 27, 2020. What are the functions of that person, the Office of the Attorney? Section 7 provides the County Attorney is the principal legal advisor to the county government. 2. The County Attorney shall attend the meetings of the County Executive Committee as an ex officio member of the Executive Committee. 3. The County Attorney shall, on the instruction of the county government, represent the county executive in court or in any other legal proceedings to which the county executive is a party other than in criminal proceedings. D. The County Attorney shall advise departments in the county executive on legislative and other legal matters. E. The County Attorney shall negotiate, draft, vet, and interpret documents and agreements for and on behalf of the county executive and its agencies. F. The County Attorney shall be responsible for the revision of county laws. G. The County Attorney may liaise with the Office of the Attorney General when need arises. He links with the national government. Lastly, the County Attorney shall perform any other function as may be necessary for the effective discharge of the duties and exercise of the powers of the County Attorney. So the question is, can the Governor Lusaka chase the County Attorney? The County Attorney is protected by law under Section 13. And therefore, what does the law say? Removal of the County Attorney from office. 1. The Governor may, with the approval of the County Assembly, remove the County Attorney from office only for 5 reasons. 1. Serious violation of the Constitution or any other law. 2. Gross misconduct, whether in the performance of functions of the office or otherwise. C. Physical or mental incapacity to perform the functions of the office. D. Incompetence or bankruptcy. What does the law say? The governor must take his recommendation to the County Assembly. The County Assembly must sit. The governor will accuse his county attorney, take that to the County Assembly. The County Assembly will discuss, vote, agree with the governor. That is the only time the governor can sack the county attorney. Therefore, what Ken Lusaka has done is illegal, is unconstitutional. It is what you call ultra vires, acting beyond the powers of the governor. The good county attorney will rush to court today and he'll be reinstated because the governor, what the Governor Lusaka has done is what Justice Mother Koome said is hot hair. So the people of Bungoma, don't worry. The county attorney will remain in office, but the county executive, that are the ministers, the governor of Bungoma has power to chase, to sack, as he has sacked. But for the county attorney, the governor has no power to remove the county attorney. Court Helicopter will always bring you, whether they are political issues, whether they are religious issues, whether they are economic issues. We go back to the drawing board. Look at the law. Which law supports or which law prohibits any action committed or done or any omission that has been seen to be trending. Because today, the people of Bungoma have no cabinet to run government. So the last question is, when cabinet is dissolved, who then runs issues of the county government? In the national government, you remember, this is not the first time. After the Gen Z demonstrations, President Ruto dissolved the cabinet. But he left one cabinet member called Musalia Mudavadi to run all ministries. But under every cabinet minister, there is always in the national government a permanent secretary. The principal secretary is the accounting officer. He's the one who runs the national government. In Bungoma, the CECs, those are the chief executive officers, have PSS under them. They will run the county government. So under the law, the county executive officer is an equivalent of a minister, a cabinet secretary. Under them, they are what we call the county chief officers. These are an equivalent of the permanent secretaries or the principal secretaries in the national government. Under the County Government Act, the accounting officers are called the chief officers. These are the ones who are people employed. They are permanent, they are civil servants. They are employed not by the governor. They are employed by the Public Service Board. Remember, the governor employs the county executive officers. That is why he can sack them. But the chief officers, their jobs are advertised by the County Public Service Board. They apply. After they have applied, they undergo interviews. Those who are successful, the names are forwarded to the governor. The governor will pick those he wants. Just like at the national level. Whenever the president wants to employ principal secretaries, the Public Service Commission will advertise those positions. You will apply. You will be shortlisted. The names will be in the newspapers. You will go for interview. After you have successfully succeeded, the names are forwarded to the president for the president to appoint. So in Bungoma, the executive, the chief officers are the accounting officers. They are the only signatories to bank accounts. They are not political appointees. So the people of Bungoma, you will get your services by the county chief officers. They run this public service. They run the civil service of Bungoma. And therefore, there is no cause of alarm. This has happened severally. It's not the first time. In the devolution government, Kibaki dissolved government. At one time, all the cabinet ministers, even including Raila Odinga Baba, they were sacked. And the principal, that time, the permanent secretaries ran the government. So, Wakili Dan Sadomari will always go back to get what the law says and how is every action illegal or legal. Keep watching as we see the unfolding issues of what is happening in Bungoma. The people of Bungoma, keep watching. Court Helicopter is monitoring events that are unfolding in Bungoma County. All the best.